How to add NS record in Namecheap. Follow the instructions. Log into your Namecheap account. Go to the domain list from the left sidebar. Click the Manage button next to the domain you want to edit. Click on the Advanced DNS tab at the top. Scroll down to the Host Records section. Click the Add New Record button. Select NS record from the record type drop-down. Enter the subdomain or host in the host field. Use that for root domain or a subdomain like sub. Enter the name server you want to point to in the value field, for example ns1.example.com. Set the TTL to the default or your preferred value. Click the green check mark to save the record. Wait for DNS propagation, which can take up to 48 hours. Thank you for watching.